Good evening, viewers. Today we are going to discuss about one new important statement which is made available on income tax portal. I'm talking about annual information statement which is now made available on income tax portal from 1st of November 2021. To understand this, I've divided this into three parts. First, let us understand how we file income tax returns by referring Form 26 AS. Second, many taxpayers, they fail to report or deliberately miss reporting in income tax return few details. And third, how this annual information statement is going to help the government to catch this discrepancy. Okay, so see this. First, all the taxpayers, me, you, etc., we upload income tax return by referring to Form 26 AS. In 26 AS, we check TDS, TCS, whatever is deducted, correct? Whatever advance tax we have paid, if I have purchased or sold any kind of immovable property, all the information are available in 26 AS. We refer to that and then we upload our income tax return. Now, what many taxpayers were doing, they were not reporting exempt income. And when I say exempt income, what? Like dividend from companies, dividend from mutual fund, PPF interest, these are exempt. There is no income tax on it. So they were missing it deliberately. Right? Few taxpayers, they were not reporting saving bank interest. Why? Because saving bank interest, it is allowed as deduction up to rupees 10,000, ATTTA. So they were not reporting that. वो भी रह जाता, right? Few taxpayers, they were not reporting interest on income tax refund. First of all, it's very small amount, 700, 800. Correct? And many were not even having knowledge कि ऐसा कोई refund है, पता ही नहीं चलता है, कभी refund आता है, बैंक में credit हो गया. So they didn't have proper knowledge. So they were not failed. All of them used to not report interest on income tax refund. And few taxpayers were cheaters, fraudsters. They were not reporting capital gains, long-term, short-term, छुपा देते. How will government come to know? So they were hiding their capital gains. Why? To save income tax. Tax nahi bharna hai is pe. And many want to hide their sources of fund. They do not want to disclose kahan se paise aaye, kaise invest kiye. And it requires too much disclosure. Entry-wise, entries, it's not that easy. If there are 10,000 entries, how to pass these entries transaction-wise? So it was difficult, compliance. So they were deliberately avoiding capital gain details. Correct. Now government was worried. What measure must be taken so that taxpayers proper pay tax, there is proper collection of tax, better tax compliance. क्या करना चाहिए? So from 1st November 2021, government has introduced annual information statement. This was already available on portal, but it was not updated. Kuch details nahi aati thi, but now from 1st November 21, annual information statement is live. See this. This is your annual. When you log in, go to services tab, you will find this AIS. Okay, when you click on the proceed button, two tabs will be available. See this, AIS. Annual information statement, two tabs, TIS, taxpayer information, and annual information statement. Both the things are available. Getting it? So please refer this annual information statement. Now let us cover in detail. What are the things that are going to be available in annual information statement? See, whatever dividend income that you have earned, it will be available. Capital gains, if you have purchased, sold anything, mutual fund shares, those details will also be available. Saving bank and FD interest, saving bank interest, it was not available in 26 years. This will be available. Interest on income tax refund, PPF interest, and foreign remittances. If you have taken some from money from foreign country, that details will also be available. Foreign remittances. Okay, so all those details which were not available in 26 years, taxpayers were not reporting or deliberately hiding, are now available with government in AIS. You want to see? See this. Let us click in AIS. See this annual information statement. If when you come down, you will realize, see, dividend received. You can see, kahan se dividend mila? Hindustan Petroleum. How much you have received? 1950. Details are available. Can you verify those details? Those details are available on portal. Second, if you have sold some mutual fund, आप लोग छुपा देते थे capital gain. See, the details of sales are available. Correct. Similarly, if you purchase mutual fund, Nippon India, the details of purchase are also available. Oh my God. When you click on other information, interest on IT refund is also available. देखो आपको कितना मिला है? We did not, many were not reporting, right? And further information will be available, like see the saving bank interest, HDFC से इतना है, recurring bank deposit, वो that details are available. PPF interest, you can say interest income others. That others is what? PPF interest. Exempt hai, those are also available. Then purchase of mutual funds, sale of share, each and every detail which is linked to your PAN is available. So now please be prepared for notices if you are not going to report or file your return properly. Because government, the income tax officer has all the information. All the information. Okay, ये 5 टैब में ही सब कुछ आ चुका है. Okay, say this 5 tab, SF, TDS, TCS, SFT, payment of tax, demand and refund, and other information. Everything is available with the income tax officer. So now taxpayers are required to refer annual information statement before filing income tax return for AY 21-22 financial year 2021 का due date क्या 31st December. Before filing that return, please refer annual information statement because see all your details, पूरा आपका details are available with officer. Okay, please remember that. Now many might be wondering, see how to do this. क्या है? आपका return भरना is now very simple because when you click on TIS, taxpayer information summary, it has actually prepared your entire return. See, when I click on TIS, see this. How much salary you have earned? Those details are available. How much interest from saving bank you have earned? Those are available. Interest from FD plus TDS, whatever is deducted, that is available. Whatever foreign remittance, purchase of foreign currency आपने कुछ खरीदी है वो भी available है यहाँ पे. Foreign remittances are available. Whatever mutual fund purchase, sale, etc. is available. अगर business receipts में आपका TDS deduct हुआ है तो business receipt, contract, professional fees, everything will be available. So in short, they have entirely prepared your return of income. 80% तो ready करके दिए. And in future, these details will be auto-populated in your ITF. Not now, but in future it will be. Okay, so many taxpayers must have query after referring to this lecture. What query they have? See this query number 1. When did AIS come? It came on 1st of November. Now, many taxpayers, lakhs and crores of taxpayers, they filed their income tax return prior to 1st November. Okay, they must have not reported dividend income. They must have not reported saving bank interest. 4-5 हजार तो कौन रिपोर्ट करे? What is the remedy available now? अब क्या करें? अब तो हम कर नहीं सकते कुछ. Answer, you are required to revise your income tax return. Whatever details you have not reported, kindly revise your return, report those details. These are exempt income. So there will not be any tax, interest, anything. Just revise करके रखो. Right? So this is for majority of the taxpayer. Now, few cheaper taxpayer, they must have uploaded IT return prior to introduction of AIS. Now they must have not reported, say, long-term capital gain. Many of them have not reported. क्योंकि 26 years में नहीं आता था. So say long-term capital gain was 10 lakh. It is taxable at the rate of 10%. Short-term था वो भी नहीं आता था 26 years में. That was 5 lakh. It was taxable at the rate of 15%. Now what to do? What is the possible remedy? Even such taxpayer, they are required to revise income tax return. Whatever applicable tax, long term pay 10%, short term pay 15%, please pay it. Please pay it immediately and pay if there is any interest applicable under section 234, वो भी करना पड़ेगा. So please, notices are going to be very easy now for officer. पूरा आपका information इसके पास है. So you will immediately get notice. So revise your ID return. FAQ number 3. Are all the taxpayer required to refer 2 forms? अब दो form refer करने के. Form 26AS for TDS, TCS, advanced tax, and AIS for details of exempt income, saving bank interest. दो form refer करना. This is not recurring. Answer is no, sir. You are only required now to refer AIS because you saw TDS, TCS, advanced tax, every detail. Those details shall also be auto-populated in AIS. वो डिटेल्स भी ऑटो पॉपुलेट आपने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है कि जो भी आपका TDS TCS every detail capital gain saving bank all the details will be available in AIS. So right now 26 AS is available, but I suppose in next 1 or 2 years it will be gone. Only AIS is to be. Okay. Now one query everyone must be having. Like suppose in my 26 AS and AIS क्या हुआ है? The TDS entry is available, which is not mine. This is not my TDS. किसी और का था. But by mistake they must have put my PAN. So those details are available. It will be auto populated. What to do? What is the solution? There is a solution. See. Solution. You can see here, whatever details are auto populated, there is one feedback. You can see feedback optional. So if details, say saving bank, TDS, property, whatever are auto-populated, it does not belong to you or your PAN. You can give your feedback optional. You can click and you can reply that this does not belong to me. Okay. Okay. So this is also the facility given to us where the taxpayer can reply how it is to be done. So this was a very, very important point here. Annual information statement. I request all the taxpayer to refer to this AIS prior to filing income tax return from AY 2021-20. If you have already filed, kindly revise your return or else there will be notice. Yeah, government will initiate notice immediately. Thank you so much each and every. Hope you love the lecture. I'll keep sharing such updates. Goodbye. Take care.